Is it possible to change penis size with exercises or homemade devices? Welcome to Prostate Patrol, your go-to channel for discussing men's health without taboos. Today, we're tackling a question many ask: can you change penis size using exercises or homemade devices? Let's separate myth from fact and look at what science says. Let's dive in. Penis size, reality versus perception. Natural factors. Penis size is primarily determined by genetics and hormones during puberty. While it varies from person to person, most men fall within an average range. Misconceptions. Many men feel insecure about their penis size, often influenced by unrealistic standards in media like pornography. However, size is not the main factor for sexual satisfaction or a healthy relationship. Exercises for penis enlargement, do they work? Popular methods. 1. Jelqing. This involves milking the penis to increase its length and girth. However, there's no solid scientific evidence to support its effectiveness, and it may cause injuries such as tissue damage or scarring. 2. Stretching exercises. These involve gently pulling the penis to try to lengthen it. Done incorrectly, they can cause pain or injury. Risks of exercises. Tissue damage. Temporary or permanent erectile dysfunction. Scar tissue formation. Homemade devices, extenders and vacuum pumps. Penis extenders. These devices are designed to stretch the penis consistently over several hours daily. Some small studies suggest they may achieve modest elongation with prolonged use, but results are minimal and take months to show. Vacuum pumps. Vacuum pumps can temporarily make the penis appear larger by increasing blood flow. However, the effect is temporary and primarily intended for treating erectile dysfunction, not for permanent enlargement. Risks. Damage to blood vessels. Pain or discomfort. Temporary, not permanent, effects. Surgery, is it an option? For those seeking significant changes, surgeries like phalloplasty exist but come with serious risks, high costs, and long recovery periods. Surgery is generally recommended only for medical, not cosmetic, reasons. What really matters? Satisfaction and confidence. Sexual satisfaction is more about communication, confidence, and performance than penis size. Open communication with your partner and focusing on techniques that enhance the sexual experience can be far more beneficial. Focus on overall health. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising, and taking care of cardiovascular health contribute to better erectile function and self-confidence. Frequently asked questions. 1. Does penis size affect fertility? No. Penis size does not affect the ability to conceive. Fertility depends on sperm quality. 2. Are there foods or supplements that increase penis size? No, there is no evidence that foods or supplements can increase penis size. 3. Is using homemade devices dangerous? If used improperly, homemade devices can cause harm, such as bruising or even erectile dysfunction. Conclusion. In summary, while there are exercises and devices claiming to change penis size, the results are often minimal or temporary, and the risks can outweigh the benefits. The most important thing is to accept your body, take care of your health, and focus on what truly matters in your relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Prostate Patrol, and turn on notifications for more content about men's health. See you in the next video.